Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. This is next day, and let's talk about this beautiful piece right here. So this is a 2009 Dana Super 60, came out from an F250. So as you guys seen previously, I pretty much undressed everything, but right now we're gonna take everything out apart, including all the ball joints, the axle, everything comes right out. We're gonna plug the tubes in, and then we're gonna take this to the sandblaster, sandblast it beautifully and make it like new. And then we're gonna reinstall everything, but everything is gonna be brand new. And the reason I'm building this guy, let me take you there. It's gonna go underneath that bus. Okay, so imagine this one, right, underneath this guy here. So I decided it's gonna be a 4x4 conversion, so we're gonna take everything from here, obviously not today or in the next few weeks, but I'm just prepping everything up, so when everything is here and everything is ready, we can just pull out the front from here, jack it up, get the new coils, settle the axle underneath. I got the transfer case for it. We just have to remake all the drive shafts for it. And yes, this beautiful thing is gonna be not just a home on wheels, but also a capable 4x4 that, you know, it's gonna be good driving. You know, this is not an off-road rig or anything like that, but definitely it can take you into the backcountry, into, you know, service roads and all that. But most importantly, if you are traveling and it's winter, it's gonna help out having a 4x4 on it. So now that I explained everything what we are doing, let's get to it and let's start taking it apart. Okay, so take this little bolt out, pull the speed sensor out, but we're gonna collect all these guys because some of these bolts we're gonna reuse. But let's pull. So the locker has 3 bolts. I already pulled those out. I just pulled this guy out, so that's the locker. There is a C-clamp in there I need to remove, and when that C-clamp is done, we can take the bearing hub right out, and then we can pull the axle. So I'll take you guys along with that. Okay, now that the C-clamp is out, let me pull up this guy too. Okay, so let's pull the sensor, the speed sensor out. These are all garbage anyway. We're not gonna reuse any of this stuff, but they need to come out. There we go. Okay, so let's see. Because I hammered this one, I might need to hammer it a little bit to get it out. So let's see. Because there is an O-ring that it's kinda hard on it. There we go. There we go. Dang, there you go. Let's see what brand this is. if this was ever replaced or this is still original. It should be tin can. So that's why it has this o-ring and this has this seal, because this one was vacuum activated. So we need new vacuum plates because these are junk, really junk. Okay, so this is garbage. Now let's make this guy lowered up a little bit so we can press this guy out. So usually I'm using 2 crowbars pushing from the back. I'll show you guys, and then once this is, the shaft is out, then we are in business. We can take. So the way I do it, you guys, 2 crowbars behind here, and then we just gonna press on it, and bam, here we go. She's out. I'm surprised. This is actually coming out pretty good. Yeah, but as you guys can see, this one already kind of like dried out, and it's lots of rust in the back. But this plate, yeah, this was all, see what I mean? Yeah, look at this seal, it's all gone. See what I mean? It's all gone. So this thing was already broken for some reason. This is a good reason why I always preach you guys, you have to take everything apart and replace. You can't just put this underneath your truck. So the shaft looks pretty good. Just needs a good cleanup. And I like the seal they had in here. Oh my god, this is a good one. Yeah, I like that one. So just put this guy. So as you guys can see, you see the seal in there. I really like this type of seal. It's good, so no dirt can go in, and I like that because the tube inside, it's really nice, clean, no rust in it. So all this is gonna be cleaned up. Now let's take out this lower nut, and then we can bang this, release the 2 ball joints, and then we can take the ball joints out. We can get this guy sandblasted, painted, and then get new ball joints and install them back in. So that's the process. Okay, so I just take the nut off right now. Hopefully it's not spinning everything. She's coming out beautiful. Okay, let's put the glove on. See if you can take it by hand. Oh, still doesn't want to go. Okay, that's done. So here is Echo Canine Gar from Up Terrace. You guys, check this out. I'm just gonna leave this guy here for now, so when this falls out, doesn't go on the ground. And we're gonna gently pound it out. Well, not really gently, but show you how this guy will come right off. Okay, let me see, you guys are good in there. Let me give you a little bit more there. So the way we're gonna do this, just gonna shock it. Okay. Oh. Yes, bonus. Oh. Bonus, you guys, check this out. Okay, get this guy. Still tight. There. Just needed that little bit. There we go. Okay. She still doesn't want to go. Strange. Usually they just fall right off. But this guy doesn't want to. Why? Okay. Okay. So here we go, you guys. Look at all the tools I needed to use to be able to get this guy off. Now this one comes out. And let's see, because you see what I mean, all this rust, this is definitely is gonna be a big, huge problem to get it out. But we have to. There is no other way around. So be aware and be prepared. Okay, so we got this guy out. Next, she just popped right off. Look at that. Bada bam. There is the second one. And now we're gonna do this side, you guys, but the process is the same like the other one, so I'm not gonna take you through this painful process taking this side apart, but you guys have the idea what it takes and how to take it apart and what to do. You know, I might just show you when I push the ball joints out, and then, you know, I'll show you when everything is nicely done and clean before I prime everything up and then start reassembling the new parts in it. But that's all I'm gonna have for you guys in this one. I really much appreciate your love. Thanks for riding along with me. Hopefully you guys learned something out of this. You know, if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, you guys. Don't be shy, leave me a comment, because I appreciate all that, you know. But I wish you guys well. Till next time, be safe, be well, be happy, because that's the main thing. See you in the next one. Peace out.